also on YouTube, and my name is Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, people. Hi.
Your name is Minky, right? Your
Minky.
YouTube name.
Life with Minky, guys.
Life
oh,
with
and
Minky
subscribe.
on YouTube.
Life with Merry Christmas.
There's no life with Merry Christmas. She's actually joking. Okay, so we are actually feeling goofy and happy because it's Christmas and there's dinner, so we are feeling fly this night.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle
Merry Christmas, everybody, and a happy New Year in advance. I'm so happy that by the grace of God, we are alive to see the end of 2018. And by the grace of God, we would also be alive to go into the very first month of 2019, which is January. And I hope that as much of you guys that are here watching me right now doing this video, we would also see ourselves in January of 2019 next year. Okay.
jingle bells, jingle bells.
What's up? And welcome back to my channel. Today is December the 23rd, and here in Nanjing City in Jiangsu province, we have this Christmas dinner organized by the NICF, and I'm actually working into the venue right now, so let's go in. It's like Kim Kardashian walk. Does actually look like one. Okay, so I think this is like their picture booth area. So you have the picture thing over here and the picture thing over there. Okay, let's take some. Merry Christmas, everyone, and have a nice time watching this video.
Hey, Miss Anna, tell us about your fabulous outfit today.
Okay, this is actually Kim Kardashian inspired.
Yes.
Kim Kardashian in my hair, actually. I don't know, but someone actually complimented me today and said I am really down with Kim Kardashian vibe.
Guess who it was?
It's Minky.
Hey.
So you guys can judge and tell if actually I'm living out the Kim Kardashian vibe or not.
Guys, let me tell you what she said earlier on. She says she has some hips.
Oh,
So you be the judge of that.
did you notice? Like I have like new hips. Like it's not like I went for some surgery. You see?
Work it, girl. Work it. Hey, hey, hey.
Like, I feel like I have some like some new curves today. Like seriously.
Guys,
I don't know where that coming from, but it's just there. Like I can see it. Even if you cannot see it, like I can.
she's feeling herself today. She's in a mood.
And by the way, this is like the winter look of today. You guys have, I made this video on classic winter outfits
Uh-huh.
that you guys can rock during the winter, and like this is like the new one that I created. This is like super warm and fabulous.
We see.
So right now, sorry, you have to show your ticket. eBay. Okay, we have a pass. Let's go.
You want to see my ticket?
It's a bunch of beautiful people. Can you see my beautiful people? Let's see. It's a bunch of beautiful people. Turn up and have fun right now. Over there we have the choir people doing us some good with their music. And over there we have some mixed people, mixed races people. Over there having some fun while we're waiting for the food. Already drinks are already on the table. Water and stuff.
Hey, darling.
Hey darling. I'm still working on her camera.
I'm sitting on my tools.
What's your YouTube name?
Rose Schweber.
Rose Schweber.
Yeah, ROSE and then SHIWEVA. Okay.
Oh,
Rose Schweber.
Rose Schweber. Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys can check out her YouTube channel and see what she's all about.
Yes. Such a pleasure.
Very good. So Merry Christmas to my fans,
Okay.
please.
Merry Christmas to you guys from here, Tyler. I'm Namibia and I'm wishing you guys a very lucky Christmas and a prosperous 2019.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Subscribe, guys.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Her channel is what?
Life with Minky, MINKE.
Very good. And don't forget to subscribe to my own channel. I see a lot of you have been watching my videos every day, and you people don't want to subscribe. Very soon, police will catch all of you.
She sees you,
I see you.
including Dora. Dora?
I see her. I see her. See this wicked girl over here. I see you. Okay, peace out, guys. Love you. Mwah. So finally, we've come to the end of this beautiful dinner party that we have, and my friends here, they had a lot of desserts, and now they are drunk
No, I'm not drunk.
and tipsy from dessert. Like they didn't have any drink, but it's
No
just-
alcohol yet.
It's just the dessert. Like too much sugar, so much energy. Okay, so
Cheers,
yeah,
everyone.
about
Have
to go
fun.
home.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I see a lot of you been watching my videos and you guys are not liking my videos and you guys are not subscribing. I don't know why. But I see you. I see you, you know. Big brother sees everything. This is like the big sister sees everything. So you guys should go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have enjoyed this video. Like my video, share this video, you know, join in my Christmas vibe, my Christmas fun. Okay, you can also comment on the comment section what you love about this video. Do you like the outfits that I wore to this dinner party? Did you like, you know, the whole energy that was coming out of that hall? Do you like my friends? If you do, comment that on the comment section. So I'm going to stop here for today, and I just want to say very quickly, happy Christmas, everyone. Today is the 23rd of December, so 2 days from today is the Christmas itself. So happy Christmas, everyone, and a happy New Year. Stay blessed, stay happy, and above all, stay healthy. Wish you guys a wonderful 2019. See y'all.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is